I can't take this anymore. I'm supposed to be in work in an hour. There's no way my car is gonna go through this. There's no way. I mean, it's like, look how freaking deep this is. I am gonna get stuck. Oh yeah. I am gonna get stuck. It's like nobody out on the roads. And my clients did not cancel. Can you even stand it? I mean, seriously, look how freaking deep this is. And this is freaking from just today. Because we shoveled this freaking driveway already 100 times. I mean, don't laugh, I'm gonna use my freaking broom again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at how deep this is. Look. It's like a foot. Please. Oh, Mr. Plowman. Come plow my driveway. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Huh? Look at this. And it's heavy, wet snow. Oh my God, look at my roof. Holy crap. Oh my God. There's no way my car's getting out of here. This mound doesn't even belong here. I mean, it's just snowing all the way over the bushes. Look at the telephone wires. I'm surprised we still have power. The weight of the snow on the branches, surprised they haven't snapped. I look like hell. Don't even make fun of me, because... Oh, here's another plowman. Come plow me. Oh, shit. Look at how deep this freaking snow is. You can't even imagine. It's not, you can't even imagine. This is crazy. It's freaking March 5th and it's still snowing like this. I don't know how I'm going to get this car out of here. We'll see. Unbelievable. I can't even wrap my mind around this. I hate this. I hate this weather. Hate it. All right. Back to undoing my car. Mr. Plowman, I need you. Yeah, and they keep making mounds and mounds and mounds in front of my driveway. How the hell am I going to get out of here? There is no way my car is going to make this. No way. No friggin' way in hell my car is getting out of here. No way. No frickin' way.